Hi, I'm Emma, LCA specialist at Ecochain, and I'm going to show you how you can find what you're looking for in Mobius quickly. We have a lot of different features available to help you search for things in Mobius, and it's important to understand them well so you can use them effectively. We also have a lot of organization features in Mobius, like folders, tags, but also favorites, for example. We will discuss those in separate videos. So this video is really about how do I search and how do I find what I'm looking for. Both the product and the object library have different ways of searching, so I'm going to show you them both. We'll start with the products library. On the products page, we essentially have 4 different ways to make our search life easier. And the first one would be the search bar. So what we can do here is type words that are in the name of our products. And what's important to know is that when you type something, that full thing that you put in the search bar needs to be exactly like that in the name of your product. Otherwise you won't find it. So as an example, if I first look for white t-shirts, and actually I'm looking for a PE, a white t-shirt, it's not coming up because I know that in my product name PE is before the white. So you have to be very exact in what you type. The second function you have to help you search in Mobius is the tags filter. If you're not seeing a tags filter in your workspace right now, that's probably because you don't have any tags in your workspace. In that case, it would be wise to watch our tags video to learn how you can use them. If I have tags, I can filter on them now. What you see here is that I can just select the tag and then Mobius will narrow down the products that I'm seeing. If I select 2 tags, it's important to note that I will get products that have either tag. So it's not like an AND logic, but it's more like OR logic. So I'm seeing more products right now. So that's important to keep in mind. The third thing that I can do to make my search easier is use the sorting function. So here I can adjust the sorting of the items that we have on this page. And I can just click on that and change it to whatever I want. For example, this one. I can also determine whether I want it to be sorted ascending or descending, like this. And then the final thing I can do to make my search easier is switch view. So we have a cart view that we're in right now. But in the list view, I can maybe see more items in one go and scroll through them and find my product that I want to find more easily. Now that we've discussed the products page, let's go to the objects page. Here we have exactly the same options, but we have one more. And that is the type filter. So the type filter lets you filter based on the type of object that you have. So first off, we have input objects, and these are objects that have an environmental data set attached to them. So they are the lowest level of your model. And then we have the intermediate objects, which are the objects that contain other objects. For example, input objects. And then third, we have end-tier objects. And these are objects that are not contained in any other objects. So they're probably like the highest level below your product. Then finally we have waste objects, and these are objects that you have defined as waste. So we can just click on one of these and then we'll just get our search narrowed down that way. And otherwise it works exactly the same as the products page. So in this video I've shown you how you can use the search and filtering functionalities to find what you're looking for in Mobius. If you have more questions about this or you want to know more about workspace organization options, please check out our other resources or get in touch with us. Good luck doing your own LCAs!